Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another tutorial. Last time I showed you how to draw the muscles from the front, and today we will learn how to draw the muscles from the back. The materials are ready. We need an A4 size paper sheet in landscape mode, a pencil and an eraser. The links to the materials I'm using you can find in the info box below. Today I will draw Vegeta to show you how to draw from the back view, and I will actually draw Vegeta not directly from the back but slightly turned so we can still see half of his face because it looks cool. So let me draw the head real quick. Alright, that looks great. So we always start with the rough shape of the characters, which I'm sure you know by now. We do that to get an idea what we are drawing and also to have an easier time after that to draw detailed. Drawing from the back can be quite difficult because we usually don't do that as much as drawing characters from the front. So mainly because it's new for us, it can seem more difficult than drawing characters from the front, but in reality it isn't. It's all a question of practice. The back consists of a lot of different big and small muscles, but we can separate the back in the following parts to make it easier for us to understand. The muscles in the upper back are called trapezius muscles, so traps, which starts at your neck, go across your shoulders and extend to a V in your lower back. Also the rear delts, so back parts of the shoulders. We also got the middle back and the lats, which are the side muscles of your back, which gives you the wide look if your lats are advanced. These are also the largest muscles of your back. It starts below your shoulders and extends to your spine in the lower part of your back, and also the lower back, which is separated in two parts. Of course, we have a lot more smaller muscle groups with very interesting names. Some muscles support your spine and other help the body stand up straight and also assist with breathing. But I don't think it's necessary to mention all of them, it's just confusing. The arms are slightly raised, which activates the back muscles a bit more. The trap muscles will be squeezed together and also the lats will open up a bit more. We will add a lot of lines to show the definition of the back, and we also have to pay attention that both sides of Vegeta are on the same level, even though he is slightly turned to the side. Your back muscle starts just under your skull, extend across your shoulders and down to your lower back, just above your hips. The separation on the back looks amazing, and we also gave the shoulder a lot of definition. From this view, you can also see the definition and structure of the triceps very good. The tricep is a three-headed muscle on the back of the arm, the medial, lateral and long head. The tricep is also way bigger than a bicep, so if you want big arms, you rather train your triceps. We will also draw the muscles on the lower arm very defined, and the hands will be shaped into a fist. This pose is amazing, and I think you can use this one on your own drawings. Now we will do the same thing on the other arm. And now we can use a ruler to see if both arms are on the same level. That's very important. And that's already it, guys. As I said, it's a very cool pose and the back muscles look amazing. Very defined and well proportioned. Let's do the inking real quick so we can make the muscles pop out even more with the colors. Alright, the inked line art looks better once again, and for the coloring I'm using several markers from different brands, and you can also use any type of markers you want. I am drawing Vegeta as Super Saiyan God, and the light will once again shine from the left side, which means that the left side will be brighter and the right side will have the big shades. Same as for the previous tutorial, I'm using many different color tones for the skin, and I'm also leaving white parts on the left side of Vegeta where the light is shining on his skin. That way the muscles will pop out even more, and with the heavy shades, the skin will look amazing. With the white parts I'm using 5 different tones in total, which is a lot, but necessary for a defined skin and for the muscles to stand out. I'm once again using the definition of the muscles to place the shades, and the deeper the separation of the muscles are, the darker the shades will be. And when you add the shades along with the muscle definition, you always know where to place the shades. So it's a great and easy orientation. So the left side looks amazing and very natural. The muscles look so alive, it's great. Now for the right side, we will pretty much do the same thing, but adding way bigger and darker shades here, as I said before. We are also not leaving any white parts on the skin on this side, as the light is shining way less on here. But still, we are using the muscle definition to add the shades, and I think that's all I can say for today. Let's finish this, so we can take a final look at the end result together. Alright guys, Vegeta from the back, and I really love this pose. It's so badass, and I think the muscles look amazing from this back view. I hope my explanation along with drawing this was easy to follow, and if you haven't seen the tutorial for the front muscles, make sure to check that out too. And if you want to see a tutorial for leg muscles, let me know that in the comments below. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you all for watching, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.